Let's put phrasal verbs into action. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on verbs paired with put. This video is all about applying and practicing. We'll be conducting role-playing activities to help you understand and use these phrasal verbs naturally and effectively. So, buckle up, put on your thinking cap, and let's get started. Before we jump into the role-play exercises, let's quickly refresh our memory. We've previously discussed phrasal verbs with put, like, put up, put down, put off, put on, and many more. Remember, phrasal verbs are just a combination of words that, when used together, take on a completely different meaning than what the individual words suggest. Now, we're moving to the exciting part, role-playing. For each phrasal verb, we're going to provide a situation, and you're going to create dialogues using that phrasal verb. Here are a few examples. 1. Put off. Imagine you're a student who has to tell your professor that you need to delay the project deadline. How would you express it using put off? 2. Put on. You're at a clothing store trying on outfits. Use put on in a conversation with the salesperson. 3. Put up. Pretend you're at a hotel front desk, and you need to ask if you can hang a sign for a lost item. Include put up in your discussion with the hotel clerk. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at using these phrasal verbs. As we wind up the role-playing session, here are a few tips. Don't hesitate to use gestures while role-playing. It can help you remember the context of the phrasal verb. Repeat the same situation with different phrasal verbs to see how it changes the meaning. Try using these phrasal verbs in your everyday conversations to get more comfortable with them. And there we have it. I hope these role-playing exercises have given you a better grip on how to use phrasal verbs with put. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the best way to learn English is to use it in real-life situations. So keep practicing, keep exploring, and soon, you'll find yourself speaking English more naturally and fluently. Till our next adventure, stay curious and keep learning.